See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Hello, you are welcome to this class. I don't know whether you don't see them. If you enter internet now since yesterday, now so Nigeria they para, everybody they para say they say there's a circular from one bank like that. The bank does say dear valued customers, you know be also they say they charge 7.5% VAT on all transfer charges. Now the matter now im bring us come this class. We wan see everything so that you two where dey village go understand this pidgin English wey I dey speak. They understand am because both mama and papa where dey village they do bank for Nigeria. Make we see. As you can see, Sahara reporters breaking. We're going to treat this later, okay? Nigerians to pay 7.5% VAT on mobile bank transfers. Mobile bank transfers. USSD transactions from January 19th. If you use your app, mobile bank, if you use your phone, USSD, they say that transfer charges, where bank they collect, government can put eye for they say we need to collect something from there. So now the circular be this. As you can see, now it be this. If you check, they say now according to Sahara, they say now money point now it's sent out to their customers. What I do, I don't copy everything. We go read and take understand what they talk. No, we start. Their valued customer. They say the value now where mama and papa where they use their service. Okay. We would like to inform you. The thing they want to inform you of an upcoming. This thing they come. They never start. Government endorsed. Now government now it does that, and this thing where they endorse now regulatory change regarding value added tax. This matter what they talk so now value added tax where they call VAT. When they go start on, not be now on Monday where be 19 January 2026 this month, we are required to collect a 7.5% VAT to be remitted to the Nigerian Revenue Service NRS. This money go to them. Say before their name now be Federal Inland Revenue Service. They don't change the name, okay? Say it no be them no be they go keep the money. They say me they collect the money from una charges on their behalf for government. VAT we apply to certain banking services. Certain banking services. Service where they render that include electronic banking charges. Electronic banking charges. That charges where they charge you, they call calculate percentage on it. Come out. Una chengere money. They go collect from this or collect. Call boku. Send it to them. Okay? Such as mobile banking fee. Your mobile banking fees for transfer. USSD transaction fees and card issuer fees. Whenever you need a new card, they go charge you fee. Say for instance, now 1,000 for instance. They'll call apply 7.5 on the 1,000. Okay, because government look at it. I be saying only when they chop these charges, we need to also collect something. That means if, for instance, you pay 1,000 to bank to get a new card, your couple 7.5. More do my 7.5 like this over 100 multiply by this fee. Okay, so no be 10 remain here. If you multiply 75, your cost see almost 75 naira. The current like this, this one are VAT on the fee. So it means before, when only 1,000 supposed to come out from your account where they issue you card, because this money they go to bank, this one too go government pocket. No be only owner go collect money from citizens when they won't get new card. We go also get something. You get the point now. Services that do not attract VAT include interest on deposits as service. They say me they tell you now. These ones that is interest on deposit as service, they no go charge VAT. When I saw this, I got shocked because I saw another message like this from Stanbic IBTC. They said, "We hope your new year has started on a pleasant note." Okay, we would like to notify you that in line with the new Nigeria Tax Act (NTA), a 10% withholding tax, a 10% withholding tax will now apply on interest and on all service accounts. But they are saying services that do not attract VAT include, that is a money point, interest on deposit, and service. Okay, but Stanbic is saying there is 10% withholding tax on all interest earned on savings, and our government talk am, regardless of the account balance. It means if you don't earn the interest, say you get 500k, you leave the money there, they call put small interest. That small interest will enter, then they will collect the 10% VAT. No be your money where you deposit to the original amount and the interest. Only you know if you chop that interest, okay? Because this country where you did, they breathe, they breathe their air, so we need to collect 10% stamp as instance. But this one say, I don't understand. Maybe they never received the memo. I don't know. Or maybe not because bank when no get branches. I bet more airports, everybody wallet with their class abi. Maybe money point because they no get branches, they no go collect them. I don't know. No, they confuse more na airports for comment section. Okay? This update is effective from Thursday, 1st of January, that is beginning of this year, backdated. Please note that this withholding tax deduction is also in accordance with the withholding deduction at source regulations 2024. Thank you for banking with us. Best regards, Stabic IBTC. Okay, you saw it, right? Now, Mogu, a small thing. If I get 500k for bank, let me get that more. If this money earns more interest, say I leave the money there for say 1 year. For instance, say it can earn 10k. More generalize that. One, I go pay VAT on the interest. Say I transfer any amount above 10k, I go pay stamp duty. Not be only on this amount, so that is generally anything we are transfer, whether from here, whatever. The money are together actually, abi. I'll pay stamp duty. Okay? As I transfer them, I pay bank charge, or let's say many charges. Depends on the number of times we are transfer money. USSD. I go pay the charges. The charges we are paid. Go see. Get another charge where they call VAT. Another charge on charge. Another charge on the charge where they call VAT. This one, where they there? VAT. For instance, Stabic. If I transfer a stamp duty, aside the stamp duty, they'll collect their charges. That charge is what they collect. VAT go still apply to it. So if the person where they transfer money, you know, say you will pay plenty. It means say for me to do what transfer, say I do 20k transfer to my uncle, I go pay back charge, abi. Aside the charge, I go pay stamp duty. Aside the stamp duty, I go still pay another money where they call VAT on the charge. Una check the money, that check money for millions of people they do transfer, you go boku for government. And if you be salary earner, say this money come for salary, they don't also collect their PIT. Personal income tax after they do their deduction. So it's like war against money. Oh boy. Look at what they said. They'll say, please note, money point. This is not a price increase by money point to I beg. You know be also. Money point is required. We are working under authority. We are required to collect and remit VAT to the Nigeria Revenue Service. So more no carry this information say na money point to, and the instruction they give us now we dey follow. We no fit break am. In case so, this one no be only money point to all the banks. The NRS has communicated a deadline. Now deadline on 19 January 2026 for all financial institutions, commercial banks, no be only us, commercial banks, microfinance banks, and electronic money transfer operators like us, abi, even microfinance, all of us, to start collecting and remitting VAT. Somebody will now say, this is not new now. You know how some people they like to defend everything. This is not new now. If it is not new, why did they answer? Why did they send us circular? It's not new now. It has been there now. Why did they send us a circular? Why did they call her here breaking? What did they break? Breaking. I know say some people comment section. They want to attack this class, attack the circular because they believe everybody na mumu. If it's not new, why did they do them as breaking news? Sarah no know. Even the bank why they inform people. If people know before, why they call it inform them? If it did there, sis, the type of